Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to be going over and installing our new Elite Series fog lamps on this 2020 Toyota 4Runner. Our Elite Series fog lamps were designed to be the first OE-style fog lamp that provides a true upgrade in performance, while also giving your 4Runner a more modern and aggressive appearance compared to the chrome factory fog lamps. Our Elite Series fog lamps are the widest aftermarket fog lamp on the market, producing an industry-leading 80-degree spread. What really sets these apart is the patent-pending optic, which delivers an extremely sharp cutoff that meets SAE F3 standards and features a unique BMW-style color banding. When you combine this with the multi-die automotive emitters inside, Elite Series fogs provide a 207% increase in light output over the 4Runner's factory fog lamps. Our Elite Series fog lamps are available in two different color options, a 6000K cool white and a 3000K selective yellow. And all Elite Series fog lamps come standard with a distinctive amber backlight. This gives you an additional accent light along with the main beam for a unique modern look. You'll notice that our Elite Series fog lamps are constructed using OEM grade materials, including a precision aluminum casting, a UV coated outer lens, and a copper PCB inside. We are proud to say that these lamps are not imported. Unlike many options on the market, these were designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and are backed with an industry-leading 8-year warranty. Our engineers CAD designed these to be a direct bolt-on plug-and-play fitment with integrated aiming adjustment and no assembly or modification required. Let's get them installed. Starting on the driver's side of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and turn our wheels all the way to the right to gain access to the back of the bumper. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our 10mm socket because we'll be removing 5 screws holding our fender liner onto our bumper. There'll be 3 up top and 2 on the bottom. For this specific vehicle, the fender liner was cut for some added clearance, so we'll only have 3. Then we can go ahead and peel our fender liner back and tuck it behind the tire to gain access to the back of the fog lamp. Now we can go ahead and disconnect our factory fog light harness. Then we can grab a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws that are holding the factory fog lamp into the back of the bumper. With those removed, we could take off the factory lamp. Now we can go ahead and take our new Elite Series fog lamp and install it on the vehicle by reversing the same steps we used to take off the factory one. Now we could slide our Elite Series fog in place. Then we could take our factory Phillips head screws and install them. Now we'll grab our supplied adapter harness. We'll plug the Deutsch connector into the back of the Elite Series and then the other end into the factory fog light harness. We'll test our lights for functionality, and if they don't come on, don't worry, just flip the connector 180 degrees. With those connected, we could run our backlight wire up into the engine bay. Now we can go ahead and connect our backlight wiring by splicing in our provided T-tap to a 12-volt switch power source. There's plenty of different places you can do this, but in our case, we're going to be using this green running light power wire. Now we can take our T-tap and clamp it to our green power wire. Then we can take a pair of needle nose pliers and make sure it's secure. With that tapped, we can plug in our backlight wire. With that complete, we can then move over to the passenger side and repeat the same steps we used to install the driver's side on this side. But it's important to note there is a plastic cover you'll need to remove on this side. To do this, you go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver and compress the plastic tabs on either side of the cover and then pull it back away from the bumper. With both of our Elite Series fogs installed, we can go ahead and make our final aiming adjustments using a Phillips head screwdriver. To raise the lights, we're going to tighten the integrated adjustment screw, and to lower it, we're going to loosen it. With our final aiming adjustments made, we can then secure up any excess wiring using zip ties. Then we can reinstall everything by reversing the same steps we used to take it apart. With our Elite Series fog lamps installed, not only will you benefit from the increase in performance, but you'll also have a new aggressive style to your 4Runner. If you're looking to pick up a set of Elite Series fog lamps for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at dowdynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you're looking to stay up to date on all of our future products, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notifications bell. Thanks for watching.